Hello everyone! Recently we published a video about the best YouTube channels for learning statistics and the response was incredible. Thank you all for sharing amazing feedback and recommendations in the comments. I read every single one and I was excited to see how many of you had even more great channels to share. So in this video I want to highlight 4 more fantastic YouTube channels that you, the viewers, recommended. These channels go beyond statistics, covering topics from data analysis to mathematics in general, making them great resources for anyone looking to deepen their understanding. If this is your first time here, welcome! At DATAtab, we've been creating simple and easy to understand videos to help you learn statistics for nearly 5 years now. Plus, we've developed DATAtab, a tool designed to help you analyze your data easily and stress-free, so you can quickly get the results you need. Okay, but enough self-promotion. Let's jump right in and start with the first channel. The first channel on this list has so many subscribers that I honestly can't believe I hadn't heard of it before. But after watching just a few videos, I completely understand why it's so popular. The content is simply outstanding. If you're someone who loves visual learning, then 3 Blue, 1 Brown is an absolute must-watch. This channel takes mathematical and statistical concepts and transforms them into stunning, animated explanations that make even the most complex topics feel intuitive. One video that really fascinated me was when Grant Sanderson, the founder of 3 Blue, 1 Brown, explained how he creates his incredible animations. It turns out he even wrote his own Python library, Manim, to generate them. According to the FAQ page, as 3 Blue, 1 Brown gained popularity, many viewers fell in love with its unique animation style and wanted to use Manim for their own projects. And honestly, after seeing it in action, I totally understand why. So whether you're exploring probability or linear algebra, the visual approach makes even the most complex topics intuitive and easy to grasp. Next up, we have Serrano.Academy, a fantastic channel that dives deep into statistics, probability, and data science, offering clear, well-structured explanations that make complex topics easier to understand. While the channel covers a broad range of statistical and mathematical concepts, I think its main focus is on AI, machine learning, and the powerful frameworks that are shaping the world right now. Whether you're interested in understanding the fundamentals of data analysis or diving into cutting-edge technologies, Serrano.Academy provides detailed step-by-step lessons that break down even the most advanced topics in an accessible way. So if you're looking for well-structured lessons that break down key statistical concepts step by step, this channel is a great resource. And now we have yet another huge channel, Math and Science. This channel is truly impressive, with 1.5 million subscribers and an astonishing 3,700 videos. That's an incredible amount of content covering a vast range of topics. As the name suggests, Math and Science is one of the broadest channels out there when it comes to mathematics and its applications in the real world. Whether you're interested in pure math, statistics, physics, or engineering concepts, this channel provides structured lessons that connect theory to practice, making learning both engaging and practical. What really sets Math and Science apart is its variety of content. Not only does it offer classical explanatory videos, but it also features high-quality educational content that feels almost like a documentary. So if you're someone who enjoys exploring new topics in a relaxed and engaging way, this channel is absolutely worth checking out. Finally, we have Dr. Nick's Math and Stats, a fantastic channel that makes learning statistics fun and engaging and easy to understand for everyone. Out of all the 4 channels featured in this video, I'd say Dr. Nick's channel is the most focused on statistics. Dr. Nick does an incredible job of breaking down complex topics using practical examples, clear explanations, and a teaching style that feels both approachable and effective. One of the things I love about this channel is its comprehensive coverage of statistics. You'll find everything from regression analysis and ANOVA to understanding the p-value, probability distributions, and hypothesis testing. So if you want to build a solid foundation in statistics while actually enjoying the learning process, I highly recommend checking out Dr. Nick's Math and Stats. Now that I've been diving into other YouTube channels, I'd love to hear what topics you'd like to see next from DATAtab. We'll continue focusing on statistics and data science, but we are always open to your great ideas for future videos. If there's something specific you'd love us to cover, let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for your recommendations. I love seeing how passionate this community is about learning statistics. And I truly appreciate all the comments and suggestions you have shared. If you haven't watched my video on my 3 most favorite statistics channels yet, feel free to check it out. Have a great time and as always, happy learning. Thanks for watching.